morning everyone. Myself I am working as assistant professor in the department of ECE. So today my topic is the concept of signals and systems. So signals and systems. So here we will discuss what is meant by a signal and what is meant by a system, and how could we classify all the different types of signals with an examples, and what are the systems, different types of systems. So here we can say continuous time signals, discrete time signals, periodic signals, and aperiodic signals, random and deterministic signals, power and energy, even and odd signals. These are all the classification of the signals we have. Signal, the basic definition of the signal is it's a physical phenomenon which contains information. So whatever I am speaking, it's a voice signal. It has some information. So likewise, there are different forms of the signals. If I take an example of ECG or EEG signals, so ECG signal will be, sometimes it will go up, sometimes. So this is a kind of continuity. The signal which have continuity. If I take a cell phone signal, it is like this. So this is a kind of discrete mechanism, I can say. So here it is a continuous time signal, and cell phone signal is everyday we see in our mobile phones. It's an example for the discrete time signals. So a signal have continuous with respect to a time period, time t. I can say the signal is a periodic signals. Irregular intervals of time, if I say with respect to time period, so I can say periodic. In the same way, a periodic signal. If suppose any signal which does not satisfy this case, x of t plus nt is equal to x of t. So if it satisfies this case, then I can say the signal is a periodic signal. If any signal which does not satisfy this case, then I can say it is a aperiodic signals. There are random signals, there are deterministic signals. Deterministic means a signal which represents with a mathematical equation. I can call it as a deterministic signal. A signal which can't be calculated mathematically, I can say it as random signals. The random signals are ECG or EEG kind of signals, or the random signals. If I take any sinusoidal equations, so this is x of t is equal to sine omega t. These signals I can consider it as a deterministic signal. A signal which have mathematical equation, then I can call it as a deterministic. So even and odd signals. So if I am having a signal called x of t, if I find x of minus t, if I get x of t, this signal I can say it as a even signal. If signal x of minus t if I find, then I get minus x of t, these signals I can say it as odd signals. A signal which satisfies these two conditions are even and odd signals. There are certain signals which satisfies power and energy. If power is finite, energy is infinite. If energy is finite, power is zero. This is a mechanism we have, power and energy. So these are all the classification of the signals we have. And also we do have, there are different elementary signals. There are different elementary signals. So I can write unit